Hey guys, Sylvia here. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to my KOIN 2.0 review. So this is KOIN 2.0 review and it is going live today. Today is the 22nd of October and it was released on Warrior Plus by Billy Darr. So this is really a rehash of his previous product that was called KOIN that he really released 6 months ago. And the only I do remember that product. I do not think I reviewed KOIN that was created 6 months ago. I don't think I reviewed that one, but I do remember it, and I actually recall going through the members area, but for some reason I think I didn't have the time to shoot the review or something. But I believe he added these two new features, the mining and the airdrop. So as you can see, I'm right inside of the members area. So I'll give you a walk through this product. We'll go through the sales page. We have the whole funnel. This is the funnel is here, the so-called super sexy funnel. And this is Mr. Billy Darr and his team. Okay, so guys, this product is all to do with, you know, cryptocurrencies, all kinds of cryptocurrencies and all of that. We'll have some training here. I mean, this and that. I'll show you exactly what you will find inside. Yeah, so if you're into crypto, you may want to give it a go. I mean, I would not entertain this method, to be brutally honest. And, you know, besides, if we go through the claims they actually made on the sales page and that product, I don't know how the thinking that the product can actually, you know, deliver what it says on the sales page. And they claim that others are launching to the bank. Launching? No, sorry guys, it's kind of late here. Others, I'm kind of tired after traveling. Hello from Poland, by the way. Others are laughing to the bank. Now is your turn. Laughing to the bank? What? I don't know, maybe I'm not thinking quick enough. Set and Forget app gets us 39 in free Bitcoin every 12 hours. So, you know, this claim here is totally unrealistic. I don't know, I think they took it out of thin air or something, because no way you can do it. I mean, this product can help you, you know, make that, what, every hour? No, every 12 hours. Anyhow, guys, yeah, and I assume you're here also because you are trying to learn how to make real money online, guys. If that's the case, you know, I'll send you to some free courses that I'll drop in the description box down below my review. Check them out, guys. They are totally awesome. Okay, all you need to do is click on these buttons, blue buttons here, sign up for the free courses on affiliate marketing, traffic generation, and email marketing. These free courses really kickstarted my journey on making real bucks online. Okay, I have gone through all of them. I know what I am talking about. That's why I wholeheartedly recommend them to all of my viewers who have the marathon mindset, who are not you know, easily deceived by those push button systems that yeah, you just push one button and you're gonna bank $39 every 12 hours or so. So yeah, in the description box you'll find the link to this page. Now let's go and see what else they say on the sales page. So they say this is really the same sales page from the first launch of KOIN. So this is KOIN 2.2, but they say exactly the same thing, that this new 2023 wave today, fully automated 30 seconds setup. I mean, you know, this automated 30 seconds. These are, guys, obviously always red flags. So, you know, be aware of that. That will indicate a shiny object. Okay, that, you know, this sales page is actually screaming at you. Stay away from me because I am nothing more than a shiny object. Works for ordinary people. Ordinary, extraordinary people. 100% fresh, new, 1000% easy. It's not fresh, it's not new, it's just a rehash of the previous product. Flick a switch and you're ready to rock and roll. Yeah, to roll, rock and roll. I mean, yeah, as if that was just about flicking a switch, right? Finally unlock the laptop lifestyle. Okay, it either works or we send you $500. Guys, try this method. Just prove to them it was not making you $39 every 12 hours and request that $500 from them. If you manage to get it, please get back to me. Let me know you have been successful with it and I will be so impressed. Trust me. Okay, 1 day money back guarantee. That means you have 1 day to chase them for the refund. Okay, the sales page is a never-ending story, nice pictures. I actually wish I was on the beach myself. Okay. What else do I say? Oh my goodness, so many pictures and this and that, and probably I was broke, busted and disgusted, and then I found KOIN 2.0 and I started making so much nice income. Yeah, in my dreams, right? Okay, so this is the team. They do create shiny objects. What can I say? They do. Okay, Billy Darr is well known for it. I mean, this product is like, I must call it a shiny object, especially if we compare what the actual product, what we find inside of this dashboard, and compare it to the sales page. It absolutely does not deliver. Yeah, you've got some training videos here, you've got training on, not really on crypto, but on like this, what you will find inside of this product, so how to start Bitcoin mining, currencies, exchanges, news, dictionary to do with, like, you know, cryptocurrency terminology, phrenology, right? As if you couldn't go to those main websites and learn it from there, and this is always the best way. So, you know, start with reputable platforms. If you're serious about Bitcoin, I mean cryptocurrency, I'm not into it at all. So I do know a little bit about it because I did review some, like, quite a few products on like NFTs as well that you buy for crypto, obviously, and so I did familiarize myself about what this, like, how this blockchain works and all of that. But like, to me, it's like, no, I would not go into it. And it goes up and down, up and down. It's like, you know, so out of balance always. You cannot rely on it. Really, I mean, like, yeah, one day you can be in profits, then you lose everything. And it's like, you know, like a roller coaster, like, you know, merry-go-round sort of thing. So yeah, you've got but you do have some videos, some training, but to do with the actual product, right? Let's start from home. So what it really is like a bunch of plugins, okay, guys? Here you see, you've got the dashboard. Then you have the currencies. So how much it is currently, whether it's going up and down, you can buy, sell, and all of that. Then here they show you the exchanges. So what it really is, these ones, I think these are like different platforms where you can buy and sell Bitcoin. So let's just open up one of them, and I do believe that they will have like affiliates, probably programs. So if people buy those Bitcoins via your affiliate links, then you get a minimum of a very little commission. So let me just see if that's what I think it is. It's about, yeah, they will probably have some, you see, that's where you can, buy and sell, and then probably as you scroll down, there you go, you will have the program for affiliates. So you sign up and you become the affiliate. If people buy from you somehow, people obviously will have to find your website, right? You know, you will have to find the traffic somehow. It's not like they give you traffic here or something. Yeah. And then the mining thing, I know it takes a lot of processing power, to start a free Bitcoin mining. It's totally not worth it. It's to do with this nice hash. I mean, if you want to check out this website, on its own. Go to this website called Nice Hash. Okay, let me just show you the website. So it's www.nighthash.com. Yeah, just .com, nighthash.com. And you can study from here. I would go directly to this platform. So, as I said, inside of, my point is like inside of this product, you will have a bunch of information, okay? But this information is not going to make you money, okay? You will have a bunch of information about cryptocurrencies, different kinds of currencies, how much, you know, they are presently, whether they are going up and down, about this whole market, right? But again, you can learn all of that with some basic and like reputable platforms to do with Bitcoin to begin with. You don't need a product like that if you're into cryptocurrency. Yeah, and then you have this one here called airdrops. So I think they'll give you access to a bunch of companies where, let me see, where you, okay, if you sign up here, if you subscribe to the email list, they will probably, what would it be all about? That you can maybe earn some, earn some free crypto, but it's going to be really, really minimal as well. And then you've got the news. Okay, the news. And then I don't know how new the news are, because as I say, it's a rehash of the previous product that was just called KOIN. And then you have the blogfolio here, and then the so-called watch list. It looks like that. Nothing special in here. And then we have the dictionary, all to do with the terminology. Okay, so and more. You can just Google this stuff, guys. Or again, go to some like the main websites to do with crypto. And then you have the tools. So currency converter website, widgets, buy and sell instantly, crypto asset score, Bitcoin, blog explorer. And then you have the upgrades. So you can upgrade from inside of the members area. And we've got 7 upgrades here. Alright, now let me see if I can give you more information on the upgrades. So the front end is $17, and I believe on the sales page at some point, if you want to like exit the sales page, you will be scrolling up and down. This pop-up should pop up at some point. You did see it at the beginning, didn't you? So they will probably give you $4 off. So it's gonna be what? 13 for the front end. The world's one and only app that gets us, you know, $39 in free Bitcoin every 12 hours. There is no guarantee, you know, this product is gonna help you make this. I mean, they don't even show you any proof they are making this money inside of this product. I did not find it. I mean, it's all made up. It's just like some silly claims. Now, upsell number 1 is the unlimited edition for $97. So the unlimited edition of KOIN 2.0 allows customers to enjoy unlimited usage and unlimited traffic, free traffic, and more. Okay, if they had access to unlimited free traffic themselves, they wouldn't have to come on Warrior Plus and create these shiny objects, because they would have the unlimited free traffic themselves and they could sell to them whatever they wanted. Okay, now upsell number 2 is KOIN 2.0. Then for your setup, for $297. Upsell number 3 is $297, imagine. So in this upgrade, our team sets up the software for your customers. Okay. Upsell number 3, autopilot edition. Nothing is autopilot online. You have to make it work. Anyhow, this is $39. Upsell number 4. Then for your campaigns for $39. Upsell number 5, franchise edition for $197. And that does not even give you access to the 100%, but only 85% across the whole funnel. So it's not even like reseller rights. Alright guys, so in my opinion, I'm not promoting it guys, and like, if you want to learn about crypto, go about it the proper way, get some like solid knowledge. Here you will be kind of like confused.com, especially if you're newbie to cryptocurrency. If you know a thing or two about it, you know, you would not need a platform like that to begin with, okay, because you know your stuff about crypto, you know how to do the all mining stuff and how to buy and sell, when is the good time to buy and sell, and all to do with that. So I would say miss it, like give it a miss, skip, forget it, okay, stay away from it. Yeah, that's just my honest feedback about it. And again, like, if you're interested how to make real money online, guys, if you're thinking about like, okay, how do I make it work, how do I create an online presence, how do I start an online business, how do I get into affiliate marketing, how do I start my, like, you know, making my first sales from affiliate marketing, you need some solid knowledge and understanding. And you know, with these 3 courses you would get a tons of, you know, value and good honest information, because the vendor, the creator, the founder of all of these products is totally amazing. His name is Tim Eichels. He's a super honest, straightforward guy, very knowledgeable. Okay, all of the front ends are free, and then, you know, I would say go through all of that, devour the knowledge, recognize the value of it. You will see the value is amazing. And then, yes, you will have a possibility of upgrading. There will be only free, but super amazing upsells. I got all of them myself, all of the upsells, okay, after having gone through all of the front end information of all of these products. And I was like, okay, this is something I definitely, you know, I definitely want to get into. And the vendor seemed like, okay, this is a guy I want to learn from, work with, and all of that. And I was like, this is like amazing, let me go for it. So see what you think, sign up for them. You don't even need a credit card, okay, to get into the free front ends of these products. Just sign up with your name and email, and that's it, okay? Enjoy them, get the knowledge, and you can take it further if you not wash. I need to do a washing here, by the way, if you wish. Okay, up to you. Alright, love you and leave you guys. Sorry, I'm kind of like, my tongue is getting twisted. Let me get some water. I am a little bit tired after the journey and all of that, but I thought like, let me just shoot this review. And I'm going to sleep. Alright, bye. Love you and leave you. Kisses from Poland. Bye bye.